understanding the phrase, leg of darts, in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a unique and interesting phrase in the English language, leg of darts. This phrase is commonly used in the context of the game of darts, and we'll dive into its meaning, origin, and usage. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about English idioms and phrases, this video is for you. Leg of darts refers to a single game or round within a larger match of darts. In darts, a match is often divided into sets, and each set is further divided into legs. The term leg is similar to how we use inning in baseball or set in tennis. It signifies a portion of the overall game. A player or team must win a certain number of legs to win a set, and a certain number of sets to win the match. The phrase, leg of darts, originates from the traditional pub game of darts, which has been a popular pastime in the UK and other countries for many years. The term, leg, in this context likely comes from the older usage of the word, meaning a stage or step in a journey or a process. In darts, each leg is a step towards winning the match. When talking about darts, you might hear someone say, "He needs to win this leg to stay in the match," or, "She won the first 2 legs easily." It's a phrase specific to the game of darts, so it's not used broadly in English but is very common in contexts where darts is being discussed or played. For English language learners, understanding phrases like leg of darts is important for 2 reasons. First, it helps in understanding the culture associated with English-speaking countries, especially in sports and games. Second, it's a great example of how specific terms can have different meanings in different contexts. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, leg of darts. It's a fascinating example of the richness and variety in the English language. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about understanding the culture and context behind the words. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.